Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to add kick chat here on OBS Studio. Now, in a previous video, we showed you how to do it on Streamlabs. Now we are going to do it in OBS Studio. So it's going to have a similar approach. We would want to have another thing outside of OBS Studio, which is go to your browser and go to kick.com, sign up or sign in. If you don't have an account yet, sign up. But of course, if you have an account, sign in. And click on the upper right corner of the screen, which is your profile here. You're going to have a pop-up channel creator dashboard subscription settings and log out. You would want to click on creator dashboard like this, and here you would want to click on chat. So there are three dots on the upper right corner of chat. Click that, click pop-up chat. You would want to highlight the link and copy it, and then after that, close it. Just close it, right? And then now we go to do the magic here on OBS Studio. So what you want to do is go to the main menu here, up on the upper right corner, click on docs, and a pop-up will appear, of course. Choose custom browse data docs, custom browser docs, and then click on that. A small pop-up will appear. So add docs by giving them a name and URL, then click apply or close to open the docs. So what you want to do is type in kick chat, and then here on the URL, just paste the link to your kick chat, and then click apply, and a kick chat box will appear here. Accept, and yeah, pretty much it. I think I didn't, we didn't need to do a captcha. Sometimes you would need to do a captcha, but that's pretty much how you're gonna do your kick chat. So you can just place it anywhere you want, make it whatever size you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.